Top 5 headphones. Are you looking for the top 5 headphones? In this video we will look at 5 of the top 5 headphones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Sony WH-1000XM5 Premium Noise Cancelling Headphones, Auto NC Optimizer, 30-hour battery, Alexa voice control, black noise cancellation. Immerse yourself in the world of music with these noise-canceling headphones, the Sony WH-1000XM5. They come equipped with an advanced noise cancellation feature, powered by 2 processors controlling 8 microphones. Experience the magic of noise-canceling headphones Bluetooth technology, ensuring an uninterrupted listening experience free from external disturbances. This unique, distraction-free listening experience sets the Sony WH-1000XM5 apart from other headphones in the market. Hands-free calling. Step into the future of communication with the Sony WH-1000XM5, a pair of over-ear headphones that make crystal-clear hands-free calling a reality. They come equipped with 4 beamforming microphones and advanced audio signal processing. These over-ear headphones ensure your voice is heard clearly, even in noisy environments. This feature is a boon for professionals and individuals who value clear, crisp communication. Long battery life. Say goodbye to battery anxiety with the Sony WH-1000XM5, a wireless headset that offers up to 30 hours of playback time on a single charge. These headphones also feature a quick charging option that provides 3 hours of playback with just a 3-minute charge, ensuring uninterrupted music enjoyment. USB Type-C cable included. Comfort and style. Experience the perfect blend of comfort and style with the Sony WH-1000XM5's lightweight design and soft-fit leather. These headphones are designed for maximum comfort, allowing you to wear them for extended periods without any discomfort. Sound quality and comfort go hand in hand with these headphones, making them an ideal choice for music lovers. Touch controls. Take control of your music with the Sony WH-1000XM5's intuitive touch controls. With a simple touch, you can pause, play, skip tracks, control volume, activate your voice assistant, and answer phone calls. This feature makes the Sony WH-1000XM5 a must-have for those who value convenience and control. Number 2. Apple AirPods Max Wireless Over-Ear Headphones, Active Noise Cancelling, Transparency Mode, Personalized Spatial Audio, Dolby Atmos, Bluetooth Headphones for iPhone, Space Gray Breathtaking Audio Quality. Apple-designed dynamic driver provides high-fidelity audio. Computational audio combines custom acoustic design with the Apple H1 chip and software for breakthrough listening experiences. Focus on what's playing. Active noise cancellation blocks outside noise so you can immerse yourself in music. Hear the world around you. Transparency mode lets you hear and interact with the world around you. Personalized spatial audio, with sound that suits your unique ear shape along with dynamic head tracking, AirPods Max deliver an immersive listening experience that places sound all around you. You can also listen to select songs, shows, and movies in Dolby Atmos. Acoustic first design, designed with a knit mesh canopy and memory foam ear cushions for an exceptional over-ear fit that perfectly seals in sound. Magical experience. Pair AirPods Max by simply placing them near your device and tapping connect on your screen. AirPods Max pause audio when you take them off. An automatic switching makes listening between your iPhone, iPad, and Mac completely effortless. Long battery life. Up to 20 hours of listening, movie watching, or talk time with active noise cancellation and personalized spatial audio enabled. Precision control. Use the digital crown to play and pause music, to answer, end, and mute yourself on calls, and to control volume and skip between tracks. A smarter case. Store in an ultra-low power state with the slim smart case. Legal disclaimers. This is a summary of the main product features. See additional information to learn more. Apple AirPods Max, key features. Muted speaker active noise cancellation, ANC. Industry-leading ANC powered by Apple's H1 chip in each ear cup. Uses computational audio for highly adaptive noise cancellation. Transparency mode lets outside sound in naturally for situational awareness. Milky Way spatial audio plus Dolby Atmos. Personalized spatial audio with dynamic head. Number 3. Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra Bluetooth Headphones, wireless headphones with spatial audio, over-ear noise cancelling with mic, up to 24 hours of playtime, black spatial audio headphones. Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra headphones with spatial audio give you an immersive experience that makes music feel more real. Custom-tuned technology offers personalized sound, shaped to you. Noise-canceling headphones. These wireless noise-canceling headphones feature quiet mode, aware mode, and immersion mode, which combines full noise cancellation and Bose immersive audio. Headphones with microphones focus on the sound of your voice, and the Bluetooth headphones with microphone filter out background noise for the clearest phone calls of any Bose headphones. Comfortable headphones. Soft ear cushions hug your ears. The band spreads pressure evenly, and elevated materials let you make a statement with these noise-canceling over-the-ear headphones. Wireless headphones. Bluetooth. Advanced Bluetooth 5.3 offers connection within 30 feet of your device. Simple Sync allows you to sync with a Bose smart soundbar so you can listen to TV at your own volume. 24-hour battery life. Listen longer with up to 24 hours of battery life, up to 18 hours with immersive audio. A 15-minute charge offers up to 2.5 hours of playtime, up to 2 hours with immersive audio. Connect and control. Touch controls on each ear cup allow you to change volume, skip tracks, answer calls, and change modes. You can also turn the Bluetooth headphones on/off simply with head motions. Bose app. Download the Bose app to receive the latest software updates. Ensure optimal functionality and get access to all the latest features and cutting-edge tech. Tracking for a theater-like soundstage. Works especially well with Apple Music, Apple TV Plus, and Dolby Atmos content. Antenna bars. Bluetooth and ecosystem integration. Seamless pairing and switching across Apple devices, iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple TV. Uses Bluetooth 5.0. Supports audio sharing, 2 AirPods listening to the same content. Number 4. Sennheiser Momentum 4 wireless headphones, Bluetooth headset for crystal clear calls with adaptive noise cancellation, 60H battery life, lightweight folding design, black firmware and software updated. Enjoy a smoother and more reliable user experience, including an ANC off switch in the Smart Control Plus app and a persistent off switch for the touchpad. Maximum audio resolution with Sennheiser signature sound. Enjoy premium music quality all day long thanks to the headphones' audiophile-inspired 42mm transducer system and aptX adaptive. Personalize sound via the Sennheiser Smart Control app. Adjust the sound to your individual listening preferences via the integrated equalizer, presets and sound modes for a unique sound experience. Stay immersed in your music. Thanks to the headphones' adaptive noise cancellation, you stay distraction-free, and with the adjustable transparency mode you stay in touch with the world around you. Exceptional comfort and long battery life. Lightweight, foldable design with padded headband and deeply cushioned ear pads for long-lasting comfort, up to 60 hours of playback time with fast charging. Crystal clear calls. The 4 digital beamforming microphones ensure high-quality voice pickup and automatically suppress wind noise for optimized calls and easier access to the voice assistant. Included components: headphones, carry case, USB-C charging cable, audio cable 3.5mm and 2.5mm jacks, airplane adapter. Speaker frequency range 6 Hz to 22 kHz. Number 5. SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro wireless multi-system gaming headset, premium hi-fi drivers, active noise cancellation, infinity power system, stealth retractable mic, PC, PS5/PS4, Switch, mobile almighty audio, experience ultimate clarity and sound quality with premium high-fidelity drivers. Fully customize the sound experience with the Sonar software by using a first-in-gaming pro-grade parametric EQ. 360-degree spatial audio, immersive surround sound transports you to the gaming world, letting you hear every critical step, reload, or vocal cue to give you an advantage. Asterisk fully compatible with Tempest 3D audio for PS5/Microsoft Spatial Sound. Active noise cancellation. Immerse yourself in your virtual world as a specialized 4-mic hybrid system designed for gaming. Tunes out ambient noise. Use transparency mode with variable levels to adapt to any situation. Infinity power system. Hot swap between using one battery while charging the other to keep your headset going and going and going. OLED base station. Dual USB ports let you connect your PC, Xbox, Mac, PlayStation, or Switch. Swap between them with the press of a button. Charge your spare battery. Take full control over your EQ, volume, and chat mix directly without leaving your game. Dual audio streams. Mix 2 audio connections at the same time, letting you chat with friends while gaming. Play with lag-free 2.4 GHz while using Bluetooth simultaneously for calls, Discord, music, and podcasts. AI-powered noise-canceling mic. The Clearcast Gen 2 mic silences background noise to give you crystal clear comms, backed by Sonar Software's powerful AI algorithms. The mic also fully retracts into the ear cup for a sleeker look.